rise and roar. 2025, we're built for war. Dark web whispers, fishing fangs. We crush the threats with armored ranks. From Pozella to the world we scream, security's not just a dream. Binary blood, we bleed the code on servers cold. Our honor's out, no malware shall infect our soul. We pass the breach and take control. We are the guardians of the grid. INFOSEK, we never quit. Through firewalls and zero-day fights, we stand for justice in the fight. Cyber nights, we rise and roar. 2025, we're built for war. So light the forge, let legends grow. INFOSEK, see, let the whole world know. We are the shield, the sword, the flame. In the digital realm, we carve our name. Steel hearts and silicon veins, we ride the storm through cyber chains. Encrypted shadows, silent screams, we crack the code, ignite the drain. Raise the shield, sound the alarm, we are the ones who guard from harm. No breach, no fear, no compromise, we see the truth behind the lies. We are the guardians of the grid. INFOSEK, we never quit. Through firewalls and zero-day fights, we stand for justice in the fight. Cyber nights, we rise and roar. 2020 time, we're built for war. Dark web whispers, fishing fangs, we crush the threats with armored ranks. From Pozella to the world we scream, security's not just a dream. Binary blood, we bleed the code on servers cold, our honor's owed. No malware shall infect our soul, we patch the breach and take control. We are the guardians of the grid. INFOSEK, we never quit. Through firewalls and zero-day fights, we stand for justice in the fight. Cyber nights, we rise. So light the forge, let legends grow. INFOSEK, let the whole world know we are the shield, the sword.